What do you want, Kavita?
I wanted to talk to you about what happened the other day.
I don't have time for this right now.
I know Rajiv lied.
What?
Yes, Manohar ji told everyone at office what happened that day.
He did?
Yeah, Rajendran sir was furious. He is considering taking disciplinary action against Rajiv. He has been put on administrative leave.
Oh, I don't know what to say.
You are going to be driving the Oxygen Express tonight.
Oh, is this confirmed news?
Yes, Rajendran sir asked me to inform you.
Thanks.
I am sorry, I should not have doubted you.
That's okay, Kavita.
No, Karthik, I feel really bad. How can I make it up for it?
You can buy me ice cream.
We'll see about that.
Hello, Karthik.
Hello, sir. How are you doing now?
I am doing good. I am working from home. This is the longest I have been away from driving trains. I can't wait to come back next week.
We miss you, sir. So much happened in your absence.
Rajendran called me. He told how you handled things with dignity and poise.
It's nothing, sir.
I heard you are on night duty for this important Oxygen Express mission, Karthik.
Yes, sir.
Collect PPE suit from my office. Be well protected out there.
Thanks, sir.
Rajendran is already in Vijayawada. He will meet you after you reach there.
Okay, sir.
Express is scheduled to depart from platform number 3. Passengers, your kind attention please. Train number 1, 2, 6, 5.
You have a big mission today, Karthik.
I am feeling nervous.
Don't worry, you will be okay.
Thanks.
You have to reach Vijayawada in time. The team is waiting there already.
Yes, I was informed. Is the train ready to go?
Yes, everything is checked and cleared. Good luck, Karthik. I will be there to assist you. Do you need to know anything else?
Yeah, one more important thing.
What is it?
What flavor of ice cream do you like?
Oh, shut up, Karthik. You have to reach Bangalore within 220 seconds. The signal is red now. When it turns green, you are clear to leave. Leave now.
Passengers. Passengers.
Well done, Karthik. You have done an excellent job today.
It's all your guidance, sir.
I think the minister was right. You should be sent up soon.
Up, sir?
Anyway, can you do a small favor for me?
Anything, sir.
I heard you are assigned to work on the film shooting tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Could you get an autograph of Sulaiman Khan tomorrow? My daughter is a big fan of his.
Ha ha ha. I will try, sir.
Please do. Bring it over to my office after the trip. I too have a special news for you.
What is it, sir?
I'll tell you tomorrow.
Train number. Passengers.
Good morning, Kavita.
Good morning.
Is the train ready for today's task?
Yes, the art director and her team were working all night and it is finally ready.
Are they shooting a song or a dance sequence?
It doesn't matter what they are shooting. You just take the train and reach the shooting spot. The film director will tell you what to do next.
Rajendran sir asked me to get an autograph of Sulaiman Khan for his daughter.
I suspect he wants it for himself.
Don't you want an autograph also?
No, he is not my favorite hero.
Who is your favorite hero then?
I'll tell you when we go get ice cream.
Done. We'll go out tomorrow. Yes, Manohar ji. Can we start?
Passengers, your kind attention please. Train number 12655 Passenger Express is scheduled to depart from platform number 1. Passengers, your kind attention please. Train number 1.
Are you the driver?
Yes, I am the loco pilot.
Let me brief you about the job. After we finish loading camera and crew on top of the train, you can start driving. Steadily reach a speed of 35 by the time you reach the bridge.
And then?
Then we will start the cameras and shoot for 60 seconds.
I can do that.
It's a risky stunt sequence and you must drive carefully. Any sudden jerk and we will risk the life of our film crew. Are you confident you can do this?
Yes.
Then let's go. We need to wrap up before we lose the light. Camera, action.
Hello sir, I am the loco pilot who drove the train today.
Oh buddy, good job out there.
It was a thrilling scene sir. I'm surprised to see you don't use a stunt double.
I like doing my own stunts, buddy. You don't become a superstar without taking a few risks.
My boss wanted me to get your autograph.
Sure buddy, here you go.
Passengers, your kind attention please. Train number 1.
Good evening sir.
Come in, Karthik. I am guessing you have brought something for me.
Yes sir, here's the autograph you asked for.
Thanks, Karthik. My daughter is going to be so happy.
Don't mention it sir.
You did a great job during Oxygen Express trip.
I was just doing my job sir.
No. You have gone beyond the call of duty so many times over the past year. In your short time with us, you have displayed your immense talent and work ethic.
That's very big of you sir.
Yes, and we are going to miss you.
Miss me? Why sir?
Because you are being transferred.
What?
Yes, I thought you knew. The minister personally recommended you for this transfer.
What?
Passengers,
But where am I going sir?
Pack your bags with winter clothes. You are going to Kashmir.